How's it going, guys? First up, I just want to say a very big thank you to all the media. आप लोग इधर आए ऐसे वेदर में. पहले तो अच्छी बात है कि मुंबई में बारिश हो गई. बारिश हुई, सब लोग खुश हैं. Second thing, thank you for everyone, all the contest winners, Disney, Pawns, Wizcraft, everyone to put this together. For a long time, we've been planning to get this show. Personal thank you to Tan from Pawns for letting us do this. Because trust me, this is something that's going to be special. And I think it's an amazing set. We've got a 4D projection. We've got Sachin Jigar in the house. We've got Priya over here who's going to sing live for you. Also, are there any dance lovers in the house over here? Yeah? So have you heard of Dharmesh from DID? Have you heard of Raghav? Sushant? There's Remo sir over here as well. He's come. I'm going to make sure I'm going to make everyone dance and dance myself. And if we can, we're going to try to make Tan dance. Let's see if he agrees. Let's see if he agrees.
But congratulations for the movie ABCD2. Give him a big round of applause. But you know, of course, everybody's talking about the great dance moves. You can't dance without music, right?
You know, they say, actually, ABCD में एक dialogue है where we say कि अगर आप music feel कर सकते हो, then anybody can dance. और ये हमारे देश में बहुत होता है. This happens in our country a lot. You'll see sometimes music plays and people dance really weirdly, but that weird step can be a really, I think that's how Gangnam Style came out. I mean, what is Gangnam Style? It's a guy on a horse. So in our Punjabi parties and all, you see uncle drink के साथ ऐसा music चल रहा है. They're moving like that. कोई ऐसा जा रहा है. All these weird steps are actually steps. They're proper dancing only according to
me. I come from Chandigarh. I grew up there. People don't even need music over there. After 2 pegs, we can dance on generator also.
To the...
Like, you know, because we're North Indians, we just get excited about nothing. So right now we have, you know, something to get excited about, right?
Do we have? No, there is. I'm going to be doing something at the end of the concert. There's a proper thing we put up together. But I think before that, we've got 2 very special musicians, Sachin and Jigar, and Priya is here as well. Little bit, I want to just take a little bit time before talking about Sachin and Jigar. This is my 3rd film with them. We've done Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania together. We've done Badlapur together. And now ABCD2 together. So they are my lucky charm, I think. I love them because they are people who always try to give something new. Always, they're trying to push the envelope. And same way with ABCD2, the design of music is something that's going to be pushing the envelope throughout.
So ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the spectacular duo, Sachin and Jigar.
Woo! Make some noise for these boys. They've come and they're very, very busy because they're doing background for the film. But I have to tell you, these are the 2 most talented Gujaratis I know. And are there any Gujaratis in the house? क्या बात है? गुजराती में कुछ बोल दो पहले सबको.
केम छो?
केम छो तो मैं भी बोलता हूँ.
हमने आटलू जावड़े.
तू भी कुछ बोल. He's the shy one, by the way.
Come back.
I'm saying he's the shy one, by the way.
थोड़ा सा my Jigar is with me, so he talks.
Okay, so I'm going to leave them to start the party off, and then we are going to come back as well. So come on, guys, make some noise for Sachin Jigar.
Hello, everybody. It's great to be here. We want to first up play for you one song from ABCD2 that you all have heard, and it has close to 10 million hits on YouTube. Any guesses? Let's play, boys.
One sec. Can we have Priya with us? Can we have Priya with us? Priya, where are you?
Big round of applause. मेरे जिगर का जिगर.